A major olefins production facility in Saudi Arabia required a solution to restore heat transfer efficiency across the convection sections of its steam cracker furnaces. Significant fouling had accumulated across the convection banks, particularly within the Feed Preheater and HTC-I finned tube sections, resulting in reduced heat transfer efficiency, increased stack temperatures, higher energy consumption, and reduced furnace performance. To improve cleaning coverage and reduce outage time, the plant selected IGS TubeTech's Rovex robotic convection cleaning technology. Using a patented articulated lance system, the robot remotely accessed deep tube rows and cleaned between finned surfaces that conventional methods could not effectively reach. All cleaning activities were completed remotely through existing access points. The project restored cleanliness in the convection section by removing heavy fouling deposits accumulated between finned tube rows. Key outcomes included improved heat transfer efficiency and furnace performance, reduced stack temperature and energy consumption potential, reduced personnel exposure through remote operation, and no refractory damage.